Good morning. Oh, continuing these morning workouts. But I didn't go yesterday, so. Oh my goodness, my nose. So today is just gonna be cardio though. I just want to run and maybe do core. Run and abs is going to be the workout of the day. So yeah, I'm taking my oxy shredded and then we'll be on our way. But I also hope that your trifling ass is walking around barefoot in these streets. That you gotta get back to the city. I got my nose done. Thank you. Oh, now to fold these clothes and pack my bag. But I can't pack this bag in front of Louie because he gonna have a fit. I am tired. I packed up my packing cubes. I put them in my dirty clothes hamper. You see the packing cubes down at the bottom? I packed them. So the only thing I need to do is put them in my suitcase tomorrow when I get off from work, because I think I'm gonna go into the office. But yeah. The only thing, oh, it's a shirt right here. The only thing I have to do is grab my shoes, all charging electronic devices, maybe grab a purse, and that's about it, in my toiletry bag, and that's it, and I'm all packed. So that's it for today. That's all I got. Good morning. It's Wednesday. Going to the gym. I'm going to the office this morning. I only work half of the day, so it's a pretty short day. And then I have pretty much like a good 5 hours after work, 4, to get my stuff together for my flight. Cause I'm trying to be at the airport by 4 p.m. Cause my flight leaves I think at like 5:30. So that give me enough time to check my bag, maybe get something to eat and stuff. But yeah, and then I am on vacation for the rest of this week and all of next week. God, I thank you. Ran 2 miles, or ran/walked on the incline. I'm tired. Let's go get ready to go into the office. Oh, write down your equipment. Oh, okay. I got maybe 15 minutes to get ready so I can be out the door. But like I said, today is a half day. So I get off at 12, and then my flight is later. And I'm kind of excited. I didn't go over Thanksgiving, so I'm really looking forward to being home. I get to see my nephew, and me and my sister probably going. So it's looking like I will be in Miami for my birthday. So with that being said, turn up, bitch. Ooh, that was made so good. Oh my god. All right, perfect amount of sweetness. It's time to go home. Louis got an attitude with me. You mad? You mad? I need you to relax. Calm down. Be calm. Relax. Child, Louis ain't hearing none of that. Alrighty, all packed up. I think I'm gonna vacuum my floors before I go. And then that'll be, oh, here he come, y'all. Look. Here he come. What? What do you want? What more do you want from me? So I made it to Austin. I'm trying to find something to eat because I'm hungry. Ugh. So yeah, here we are. JJ. Oh no, it's a store. Yeah, let me find something to eat. I'm here for an hour. My flight is delayed. It was breaking up just then. Now I can hear you. Made it to Tampa. Oh God. See how long it take my sister to come get me. Alrighty. I done made it to my mom's house. Today was a very, very long day. At this point, I feel like I've been up for 24 hours. My flight was delayed from Austin. We got in late because it was foggy and we were pretty much landing. Yes, we were landing, but because it was so foggy, they took off and we had to go back up and circle around and wait another 10-15 minutes before we could land. So it's just been a time. Dropped my AirPod case. The AirPod that was in there fell out. Had to get security to go get it for me. Luckily, she found it, thank God, in the women's bathroom. Then for a second, I couldn't find my case, my AirPod case. It's just been a time. Literally didn't get back from the airport till about 2 o'clock this morning. And now it's 3:30 and I'm going to bed for 3 hours. I gotta go pick up my sister. So I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.